Well, welcome my viewers. This is my channel. If you are new, kindly subscribe, and again you can also share with your friends, and kindly follow me. This is still Turkana edition. Today I came to this fire, and still a season river. You can see water, though we had some rains recently. That's dried up. So I just came this place this evening to showcase you what this place looks like. You can see it was that home. You can see it's a very rich place with some sand and again small stones. So it means that this kind of soil you can use for either construction, or maybe it can assist you at least to prevent some water or some mud. So as you can see, it's purely stones and sand. And at the banks of the river, you can see we have the indigenous trees, and it makes this place looks unique. Again, you can see that during the rainy season we have a lot of water at the banks. Again, you can see there are some logs and small shrubs deposited at the banks of the river. So I just came to this place this evening to showcase this part of Kenya, and I love this place because of its tranquility. At least it makes you feel satisfied. As we go towards this other end, still the same thing. Over here you can see we have the acacia trees. It's now home to so many birds. As we go towards this other side, yeah, I love the beauty of this land. It's difficult, yes, to walk on this type of soil. This is a mixture of small stones and sand. As you can see, we have such stones here. We have this other type. I cannot still remember out of my geography, but it's a mixture of so many types of rocks. As you can see over here, I think this is a limestone, somehow limestone. As you can see, again we have this type, and these are quite different compared to this. This is a different one, and again we have something else here. So we have so many types of stones of different kind. Most of these they can break easily. It means that most of them are limestone. We have a very smooth one here. This can be used for decoration during construction, that is house decoration. Again, this you can see has so many colors. It's a mixture of so many types of stones. Again, you can use it for decoration. For those who normally construct their houses, especially the floor, using the terrazzo, you can see this place is rich of the terrazzo. You can see at the banks. So here we have a very huge white stones. You can think it is cemented, but they exist naturally. At the banks, still the same thing. Yeah, still the same thing. You can think that construction was done here, but it looks unique, as you can see. Yes, coming to this other side, we also have another one here. You see this? There's a small hole here. Yes, makes this place looks unique. We have another one here. Most of these small holes, you can think a machine was drilling through them, but that is how they exist. You want to talk? Yeah, I have a young one here. Want to say something? Say something.
I don't have something.
You don't have something to say?
Yes. I just want people to see me.
Yeah, you just want people to see you.
Yes.
How is this place? It is good. Yeah, maybe they can say hi. Yeah, they are. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, what are you doing?
Picking stones.
You're picking the stones. And what about you? What about you?
I'm playing.
You're playing. How is this place?
It is good.
Looks good. How about the stones? They look good. So it makes you feel good. What about the environment?
There's a good breeze.
We have good breeze, yes. What else? What about the sand?
The sun.
Yeah,
It's rough.
it's rough, yes. And again, very hot because
I like making. I like making house with the sun.
you like making a house with the sand.
Yes.
Yeah, that is good. So from that far end, we still have these indigenous acacia trees, and let me come closer. Such big trees again normally can become something that can help, especially the animals during very hot. Let's say that is between around 12 p.m. to around 4 p.m. This place is very hot. So the goats and the sheep normally comes under this tree for shelter and to cool down. You can see the droppings of the goats and the sheep. Yeah, we have another one here. Well, let's go. Yeah, we are still doing this. Over there you can see a bridge. Over there you can see a bridge. Yes, over there some vehicles passing through. We have again acacia tree here, and we have another one here, a big one. We have a big one over here. You guy, you small guy. So we have a big acacia tree over here. Makes this place look unique. Very huge. Very huge one over here, as you can see. Yeah, So even people normally come here to cool down, at least for picnic. This place looks very nice. Yeah, we have the bridge over there. Yeah, thank you for being there and for subscribing and again sharing with your friends. I appreciate. Until next time, enjoy.